So guys, this is normal pop-up, okay? This is normal pop-up, guys, okay? We have this. So this is a small reaction, okay? Then let's do this with this, okay? And this. Guys, here's our bucket. And here we have our first pop-up packet. So let's take this out first, okay? So let's do this, guys. So here we have unpacked all the packets. Now it's show time. So let's go. But before starting, make sure to subscribe to our channel as well as share this video as much as possible. Love you all. Happy Diwali. Have a good time.
Dried out tears of sorrow.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video with your loved ones. Meet you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, stay safe and love you all.
Final gates to